Yo guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a Catnap step by step just with a pencil. Now, let's go! And here we have the final result of our doodle. I hope you enjoyed this amazing draw. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and see you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget, God bless you. Ciao ciao.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a